Hello, good morning, Jess. Today we discussed about analgesic screening model, that is tail flick method. We all know that pain is a common symptom having huge public health importance. Conventional analgesics, mainly NSAIDs, opioids, all are relieve pain effectively, but this causes various unwanted side effects, mostly like GIT symptoms, renal, addiction property, respiratory depressions. So, what is analgesic agents? This mainly selectively relieve pain by acting in the CNS or by peripheral pain mechanisms without significantly altering consciousness. So, this is the rodent analgesometry. There is the important methods that are hot plate method, tail flick model, Von Ferry hairs. This previous video we discussed about hot plate method. So today we are going to discussing about this tail flick method. This tail flick method, this method was first described by this D. Amron and Smith in 1941, and this tail flick test is a test of the pain response in animals. This test is similar to hot plate test, and it is used in basic pain research and to measure the effectiveness of analgesics by observing the reaction to heat. This most commonly an intense light beam is focused on the animal's tail and timer starts. When the animal flicks its tail, the time stops and recorded time is measured of the pain of threshold. Alternate methods can be used to apply heat, such as immersion in hot water. For tail flick test, the wire is attached to the tail of the organisms and the wire applies heat to the tail, then records the latency to tail flick. So this is the procedure for this tail flick method. We can be used this mice or rats. Mice and rats are selected and these are divided into standard, test and control groups. Then tail of the mice or rat is placed on the radiant source. Then time taken for the rats to withdraw its tail is recorded. Usual withdrawal is within 2 to 10 seconds. Tail flick latency is recorded before and after the administration of standard or test compounds. So, we are going to analyze the analgesic potential of ethanolic extract of Legionnaires caesareae root by tail flick methods in albino mice. These Legionnaires caesareae, these are generally called as bottle ground, is a medicinal plant. This plant is reported an anti-hyperglycemic, anti-hyperlipidemic, antioxidant, cardioprotective, immunomodulatory, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. So this search for a novel analgesics with favorable risk-benefit profile is ongoing because the current analgesics are highly efficacious but are associated with many adverse reactions. Hence, this study was undertaken to analyze the analgesic potential of ethanolic extract of Legionnaires caesareae root by tail flick method in albino mice. So for this study we are taking this albino mice 20 to 25 gram 7 to 8 weeks old. Firstly, we divided into animal groups into 4. Group 1 is control, as we administered normal saline. Then group 2 standard is aspirin. Group 3 and 4 this Legionnaires caesareae extract, ethanolic extract 100 and 200 milligram per kilogram respectively. Next we are checking this analgesical activity. The analgesic potential was evaluated by tail flick method, is radiant sheet method. First, these mice were placed in a restrainer within an opening of their tails. The proximal third of the tail was exposed to the radiant heat. The response of mice either as withdrawal of tail flick or turning of head to one side was taken as the reaction time. The reaction time was noted at 15, 13, 16 and 120 minutes after controlled standard and plant extract administration. Next we come to this result. For this reaction time noted in various groups by tail flick method at various time interval. In both the control and test group, that is ethanolic extract of Legionnaria caesarea root at 100 and 200 milligram per kilogram, then the reaction time has steadily increased from 15 minutes to 60 minutes, but at 120 minutes it has decreased. In the standard group, aspirin, the reaction time has steadily increased from 15 to 120 minutes. It can be observed that in group 3, that is the ethanolic extract of Legionnaria caesarea root 100 mg per kilogram, the reaction time has increased significantly at 15 minutes in comparison with the control group. Its activity is comparable to the standard drug aspirin at 15 minutes. Then group 4, that is Legionnaria extract at dose 200 mg, exhibits significant increase in the reaction time at 15 minutes and 16 minutes in comparison with control. So this analgesic potential of root extract at 200 mg per kilogram is comparable to standard drug aspirin at 15 minutes and 16 minutes. So this extract exhibit maximum activity at 60 minutes. So from these findings we come to this conclusion. The ethanolic extract of Legionnaria caesarea root possesses analgesic activity in albino mice. Next we come to this, the application of this tail flick method. This use of this tail flick test, researchers have found that genetics plays a role in pain sensation and the effectiveness of analgesics. A mouse of one genetic line may be more or less tolerant of pain than a mouse of another genetic line. Also, a mouse of one genetic line may experience a higher or lower effectiveness of an analgesics than a mouse of another genetic line. So using this test, researchers can also begin to identify genes that play a role in pain sensation. For example, this CALCA gene is primarily responsible for the variability in thermal nociceptions. The Sparlong mutation, this resulted in a moderate sensory neuropathy, but the mutation did not affect nociceptive motility or motor functions in the mice. The mice with the Sparlong mutations were unable to sense the pain, but their other sensory functions were unaffected. What are the limitations of this tail flick method? Is the need for more research with murine subjects and determining the validity of applying observed pain response from animals to humans. Also, researchers have found that skin temperatures can significantly affect the result of tail flick test, and it is important to consider this effect when performing the test. Many thermal testers do not distinguish between opioid agonist and mixed agonist antagonist, and consequently a tail flick test for mice using cold water in place of heat has been developed to allow that distinction. Thank you so much for your patient listening.